There's so many of those like half dirty video, like, oh, like this white girl's making this video about I want, like they wake up and they feel like, a little horny, and then they make this type of video. Like Logan Paul's girl make this video like, yo, I want this 10-inch something. And then there's another girl's video I saw. It was like, what's that one thing that you can eat all day? And then she's like licking her finger. Now let me tell you what one thing I can have all day long, 24-hour, 24/7. Here we go. Hey, look at that. That's it. Look at that. Hanging out with the ducks. That's what I can have all day long. Look at that. Sure, you can have 10-inch this, you can have 20-inch that. You can eat, gum all day, no problems. But look what I'm getting. Look at this. Hey, nothing more special like this. And you know what? I think a lot of these programmers and engineers probably hang out over here. Like, look at that. And I look so good. That's the one thing. I don't have to constantly go check to the doctors, be like, yo, am I healthy? Am I healthy? Like, look at this. That, and if you want, you can even take out your shoes and walk like literally. I don't want to do that because my feet gonna get dirty. You can literally walk like this. It's even better, That's the only one thing is missing, which I should not be doing it, which is the sangria. Ice cream, a lychee sangria right next to this thing. That's it. That's the only one thing's missing. But look at me. I am chilling right now. Look at that. This is probably the last day of summer. I just want to be your friends, okay? I'm a technical guy. I need to be your friends. And I'm perfect, just so you know. I just want to be friends. It's okay. Look, I'm perfect. You have to like me. Come on. Dude, where are you walking? I'm over here. Dude, it's okay. Just ignore your friends. Trust me. You're talking to a guy with 15 channels. Don't fly, please. Can I ask you a last 4 digits of your social security? What's the CVC code on your back of your card? Hello? Excuse me. Hey, guess what? I have a nice car. What's up? You can't fly. Damn, bro, he just dissed me.